strongest drill in the whole world, the Bosch GSB 18 volt 133 0CN Profactor from Bosch. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review of videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. According to some of the YouTubers, some of the stats out there, this is the strongest drill in the whole world. It's 1/2 inch high torque hammer drill. This is the Profactor Core 18 volt brushless. Extreme power, our toughest drill with 1330 inch-pounds of max torque. World's first electronic angle detection. Yes guys, this drill, more technologically advanced than other drills, has more technology than any other drill in the world. Battery and charger sold separately. This was one of a kind. This is the 504-1696. That's the item number. 22622. Made in Malaysia. Accessories made in Vietnam. 3-year cordless tool and charger protection plan. 2-year battery protection plan. 30-day money back guarantee. Registration required. Enclosed registration card for details. Interface. Tool status. Electronic angle detection, kickback control, user's interface, LED light, metal chuck, rapid mode selection. We got brushless motor, simply connected, so it is Bluetooth capable. We do not have the Bluetooth device that goes in here. Specifications or technical data: voltage 18 volts, chuck size 1/2 inch, max torque 1330 inch-pounds or 1330 inch-pounds, max speed 2100 RPM, blows per minute. We got 0 to 30,000. Weight without battery 4.6 pounds. Tool dimensions 8.0 by 2.9 by 8.6 inches. I want to let you guys know that I bought this with my own money. Nobody gave me any money for this. Pro Vantage 3-year protection plan. Instruction manual. Some bits. Hardened to the core, engineered for the high torque, extended torsion zone, times 10 life. We got the handle. I gotta say, this is a pretty beefy handle. It is plastic, so it is plastic. It says Bosch there. We got some nice rubber, and then you can tie it up by the turning this knob. All right, we got the tool itself. I do have to say, this is not a small drill. It's considered to be one of the bigger ones. We got a belt clip, Bosch. We got GSB 18 volt 1330C. We got HD. You got a BiTurbo brushless. A lot of ventilation, more ventilation on the side. We do got a light here for the angle. Second speed. First speed, we got screwing mode, obviously with 25 clutch settings. We got screwing mode, drilling mode, screwing mode, and hammer mode. Oh, this is really smooth. I really like this. We got rubber stops. Does say some warning signs here on this side. Got a nice forward and reverse. Nice trigger. We got a really beef transmission with a chuck, metal chuck, all metal chuck. Bluetooth device goes into. It's basically like a little watch. So we do have on and off kickback. We do have a 45-60 degree, and then we got a phone angled, and then we have a light, a working light. We do have 4 different connectors, and this moves a little bit. We do have a serial number there. We do have a model number. We do have a serial, some other model number to 550 per minute. We got 0 to 2,200 per minute. We got Robert Bosch Tool Corp, Prospect, Illinois, made in Malaysia. There, you guys could put some sort of lanyard. This is all rubber construction. All those black part is rubber. It does rest really nice on the sides. Oh, this is really beefy. I really like this. You can put it like that. Angled this way. One down. Really like that. Got the depth gauge. Depth gauge. You get a lot of air movement there. There's a lot of cooling going on. You do get the lights there for the angle. That's the yellow lights. It's set 60 degrees. You did get a working light there at the bottom. So you can put this at 60. Let it calibrate. Once it's calibrated. Alright, one thing that I did see online on the internet that everybody was doing is you put the drill in a 45 and then you press the 45 and let it calibrate. Alright, so once you put it on the 45, now you're going to get the 90 degree right there. As you guys do see, we go back, we get the green, we get the yellow again. So once we were on the green, it's pretty much leveled at 90 degrees. Screws at 90 degrees. Even at an angle, you guys could do it 90 degrees. Once you're in that range, you have 2 or 3 degree range, then it's going to let you put it at green. So that's a nice feature to have. It does have the anti-kickback. It flashes. So once you guys are in a panic, it flashes and it flashes red, like anti-kickback on. So it's right there, anti-kickback control. Once you guys let go, you guys can continue with your work. You guys can control, or you guys can turn this off. As you guys did see, I did turn this off. Nope. And once you turn it back on, yep. This is one of the most advanced systems out there in technology and in strength. It's the strongest, one of the strongest drills out there. We're gonna go ahead and test this out. But guys, let me know down in the comment section which tool would you want to see this against. All right, we're gonna start out with some simple drilling, and then we're gonna move on to the harder stuff. All right, so we're gonna start on drilling, speed 2. All right, so we're at 60 degrees. You flip it over. So once you're on the green, you can do the 60 degrees. So we're gonna just do a 60 degree hole. All right, so we're green. That's as far as gonna. All right, 60 degrees. We're on green. We're still on green. So that hole was done at 60 degrees. We're just gonna do a 90 degree right here. 1, 2, 3, go. No problem, speed 2. So very simple for this drill. This drill has top tier technology. It's more advanced than other drills. No other drill offers the angle, and it does have the kickback. It's a 7/8 spade bit. So you guys will see this in action, speed 2. All right, hole right here, 1, 2, 3, go. This thing's really powerful. Do another hole right here, 1, 2, 3, go. Easy. A 1-inch auger bit from Spider. All right, hole right here, 1, 2, 3, go. No problem, speed 2. So yes guys, not all drills are capable of doing that in speed 2. This one is. This one's a beast. I really do like the chuck. It's really smooth. Once you put it on and put it off, you just hear the little snap and it just takes it off. Same thing when you're putting it on, you hear the ratcheting part. Really like the smoothness of this. The same thing with the transmission here. It's really smooth. You can even do this one-handedly. Guys, you see how smooth that is? This one's a little harder, but then again, the tool is brand new. Tell the truth, I wasn't interested in Bosch up until this moment. Now that Bosch has the Profactor tools, the BiTurbo hammer drill, now I'm interested in this platform, this line. Before I wasn't interested in it because I felt that the tools were competitive enough. Now, starting with this one and some of the high torque impact wrenches that they have, Bosch is entering the big boy tools, you want to call it, the more powerful tools out there. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.